어, 동마 넘버링게 상월이야. 치료들이 샤이.
Good afternoon, everyone.
An alle hier einen herzlichen guten Nachmittag.
다난 공도 되네. 당 고문은 주바 단 제베 다 고문은 주비 총림서 말해. 다 대단 제베 돈은 모두도 뒤로 쉬스메래. 다 드린 치료 차량 민주베게 다 지기 냠렌다 땅 하나 게를 잡아 가르쳐요. 디돌이야다 누리 가정 오르르 쉬하로 디거스 바브레샤.
So, in terms of the stages leading up to the Abhisheka itself, I had an opportunity this morning to share some remarks about Akshobhya in terms of the background of Akshobhya and the meaning of Akshobhya. So, having completed that stage, I would like to use this afternoon's session to share some remarks with you about my own personal connection with this practice.
다들이야. 또 데베 로 가시 가도다. 데베로 가시 그저나. 다 아버지는 그뒤는 장가지 않을 거라 가지고 간다. 데베로 더 주차 지 파지 링리아 되네. 도시된리아 아마시드 캬ン신경을 도시된라 로다르 아니 그 유모람 사지든지 최기 최저기 제고 그런데 지야래 드린두산단 데벨로 주진리아 버지 그 유모람 걸이야 되네 민주비에 초간냠는 차로 지지 고츠네 나다보다 가서 민주비 초가디 냠는 차데 유마셔버시 드리셔버려.
I would say for the last 10 years or so, in Bodh Gaya at the Kagyu Munlam, and as you know, the Kagyu Munlam is an annual ceremony of Dharma practice that takes place in Bodh Gaya. I would say that for the past 10 years or so in Bodh Gaya, starting about 10 years ago, we have had a custom that has continued in an unbroken way from that time until now of doing the Akshobhya practice together at the Kagyu Munlam.
딜리아드네 겁디디 드네 민주비 초간냠는 차가 김선 지디 드네 조다 샘진 셀렌데바 남기 된도 드네 아주 초가 미세 디주체도 미네 다 계자로 사고 지 계자로 사고 저거 유산에 다조 디주체도 미네 드네 민주비에게 초가 드네 동거 알았어 뭐하는 거 샘진 셀렌데바 남기 된도 Trish?
The main purpose or the main people in mind that we focus on during these performances of the ritual of Akshobhya every year at Kagyu Menlam is people who have died. We especially bear them in mind and make them our focus and accumulate roots of virtue in order to benefit them and dedicate the merit of the virtue of our practice of Akshobhya to them especially. So this is the main focal point of the Akshobhya ritual that we do.
Research nyamle cha tori nyamshi ru cheche an dana singi minchu badan jewe gi do sutra dene mangbuji da gob chumre dene yang sutra kashe pui nan mebche nangamone yana ge tola yedewa da dije pui tolia sur gyur gyuriyaga bezuru cheche. Tindre chen dusan, tindre da ji gyuri samaro, tindre mangpo chi chebi dusan, di nalo laya, ane gali gali ji gobo minchube go laya ji susu yuna ji jungse ji da gyu yeban raba che tang, dana jingi chonang cherum raba chi chungsu.
So at the Kagyu Menlam, through practicing the ritual in this way and in connection to the practice of the ritual, I had the opportunity to do some more extensive research about Akshobhya. So the performance of the ritual of Akshobhya was the trigger for that. And similarly, the performance of the ritual of Akshobhya led me to investigate the topic further by reading sutras that were connected with the figure of Akshobhya. And some of these sutras, in turn, had not made their way into the Tibetan language, but only existed in Chinese. And therefore, I initiated some projects to translate these sutras from Chinese into Tibetan. So in these and other ways, I feel that gradually I've had the opportunity to become more familiar with the figure of Akshobhya, as well as to feel a more complete or a deeper feeling of connection towards Akshobhya.
전화를 치슈에 가라서는 다 당의 거는 쉬는 신기. 다 고부 민주바 이제 민주바데 토마르 다 상계 민주바데 토마르다 게놈 민주바로 이제 규베 내가블라 되네 지 되네 손데 근데 상계 공부 못하고 봐도 실진 술래야 다지 컨트롤 삼바다 시당 삼바지가 미에서 다 디기 명람 첨부 직답 나와 다 디기 말한리아데 심래 파샤당 지게 다 질름럽지 중세지 좀벌럽지 그래서 전화를
In terms of my strongest personal feelings or experiences about in connection with learning about Akshobhya, I think that the tale that left the greatest impression on my mind was that of the bhikshu who became known as Akshobhya that we discussed previously. This courageous bhikshu who stood up in front of the Buddha Big Eyes and made the strong aspiration pledge and commitment to never bear any ill will or aggression towards any sentient being, no matter who they are, from then until the time he was to attain enlightenment. I think that this story has left the strongest impression on my mind.
ndene chanchu mathop gi pardo saade tuzudi hajang rimbu chade ya
One of the reasons why this aspiration is so striking to me is because from the time that Bodhisattva made that aspiration until the time that he actually gained enlightenment and gained full Buddhahood was a very, very long time.
According to Buddhist teachings, Buddhist, that number sange begi shiju de shabina. Chanju semba wangbu nobu de zui. Anji sange gongban toya lia geba chame sumza zhengu.
According to the traditional Buddhist teachings, the bodhisattvas who have the sharpest faculties, the highest level of aptitude, it takes them 3 incalculable eons, or 3 sets of countless eons, in order to attain full Buddhahood.
Di chame sade changa mebe chame sade changa jire. Chame sengi orang changa jire. Der jidang changa dilia dan jigni ju dan da dili jiru da juba di changa juba di bilin sa chorba. Pepe changa jigni ya zi yundu changa juba di bilin sa chorba. Da kanshi maybe 1,000 million. Da de life shan garo. Da dine ya zi yundu sa ne changa chuju badu ziya yor. Changa chuju badu. Changa chuju badu min ya chame so. Jesa dine yundu sa da keba chame sa di chame di da changne chuju di chame di baji ngun zigu yusre.
So in the Tibetan way of counting, or in the traditional Buddhist way of counting, countless is actually the name of a number. It's not just a general descriptor meaning a whole lot, but it's actually a reference to a very specific number. So in the Tibetan counting system, the first level is 1, the second level is 10, the third level is 100, and so forth. So you go all up to the way to the 60th level, and that is the number that is called countless. So if the translator's current mental calculations are correct, he believes that would be 10 to the 59th power, either that or 10 to the 60th power. But in any case, it would be this 60th level of counting, starting with 1, then 10, then 100, then 1,000, and so on. So that is the specific number that is referred to by the word countless here. So the journey from bodhisattvahood to Buddhahood would take 3 countless eons.
That the name do chame sa di hajan da jidati wangbu nombu de zure. Ji chenju senba yang wangbu dubu de zuina da de ji chame sumju la sa ba. Da denje gi wangbu de le dubu de chane chame sumju la sa ba denje go yo so re. Dene indu sa ne dan do na chenju mo to ba du sa de du zu di hajan ru bu ji de da namba sange be shi zu den se la hajan ru bu ji cha de.
And then it's said about the bodhisattvas with the lowest level of acumen, or the common levels of acumen, or dullest faculties, that the amount of time that it would take them to achieve Buddhahood would be somewhere around 30 sets of countless eons. So basically, whether it's sharp faculties or dull faculties, the journey from bodhisattvahood to Buddhahood, or the journey from being an ordinary being to Buddhahood, takes a very, very long time, according to the traditional Buddhist presentations.
That the Tene ti par ta chanchu ma do ba di ba ni zu man dam da ma wo yang chou. Lots of things can happen. And then the ta chi chen di nga zu gi earth zambulingi cele ringa do cha de yo. Lots of things can happen. And ji bena tinology milage sigre ludin andam da lense ludin andam da lense re daga na singi ji ta kandar ji nizu de samgi mi gyada damin da mangbo ji yongsi re de indu sane di gyunzel den dine chanju matop ge ba do nge din de ji gi insa de monam ja de le la ba ma da 탐제 la ji 디나 니주 가르치 연구에 창물로 콘도 추벌 다 창물시 디테일의 시행고만 되냐 다 간다 간다를 디기 사문지 땅배 토네 때는 다 줘야 되고 때 내라버지 저거만.
So since we're talking about an almost inconceivable length of time, it's obvious that many different situations can come to pass in the interim during which we have not attained enlightenment. It's possible that many things could happen to the world or the environment in which we live, and it's possible that we ourselves can take on a wide range of different bodies. Sometimes we might have a human body during these countless eons for which we haven't attained enlightenment. Sometimes we could take on the support of other bodies in samsara. So an inconceivably wide array of situations could present themselves to us during this very long time that it's going to take for us to attain enlightenment. And that's what makes Akshobhya's aspiration and commitment so impressive. Because in order to make that commitment, he certainly would have been bearing in mind the length of time that he was making the commitment for, and the wide variety of circumstances that he would be sure to face during this time. And so he would have known that making such a commitment would not be an easy thing. It's no small deal to make a commitment to refrain from any act or intention of aggression towards any sentient being for such a very long time. And so I think, therefore, that his making this commitment is very impressive indeed.
다들이야 배나 전주 선바지 천딜라 전주도 섬기네 다지 체제만 될라 둔두더 비교하시려면나 되네 고랑 그 섬기에 정기제다 말해서 그저로다 다들이야 시주만 고요하래 전주소도 섬기네 전주 섬기에 대 마냐버이나 둔줄을 겨와 녀손을 겨와 렌스 말해서지 아지 전주 섬기에 대 마냐버이나 녀손 겨와 렌스 말해서지 요네 양 가시 듣지 겨와 렌스 그래서 내 용대가 딱 안들 가리님이네 가셔야다지 가시 양 녀손을 겨와 렌베이네야 그럼 몰람기 톱기 야지 전신기 닝지 샤와다 다나 신기 둔주기 루스 주나야 닝지 샤와다 에너지 참바 샤와르 된저기 바지 용원되게 유스래
There's different ways of discussing in the traditional Buddhist philosophical investigations the issues of what types of births, what types of physical supports it is possible to take on in one's journey to enlightenment, specifically after the time that one has given rise to the intention of bodhicitta, the wish for awakening for the benefit of all sentient beings. There are some schools of thought that say that if after you give rise to bodhicitta, your bodhicitta does not decline, it is impossible for you to take birth in the lower realms. So, for example, as an animal. But there are others who say that it is possible, and they say that even if the bodhisattva takes birth as an animal, they will naturally possess a mind stream that is loving and compassionate, and so forth. So this is connected to the question of whether a bodhisattva would remember all of their births or not.
大第一个呢，之前咱们想想嘛，是大等到第我们第个人生，大我让说了，别那俺这不这个的，提提错看的全部的生了。大俺就，你那情绪嘛，都把的啥的，大有啥大的，这个啦好，这的给这的有价钱不是？大俺就，别那，提提呢说的没事吧都。 아는지 컨트롤 삼바 끼리 민사로 되는지 담제지 제토고를 해. 라고 좋아지래. 담제 제토고를 해. 근데 타주지 제토고를 했잖아. That it is not easy. 대양 타나 륜차지라. 컨트롤 치리 민사로 되는지 담제를 제제. 아니 다 타주 제토를 했잖아. 다대 너쇼. 다 델레 통으로 지나 대린 쇼페네 손도 공다바다가 다 공로 서미 지게래서 공로 서미 샤당가 삼바 지게 민사 근데 지금 담자지 샤 뉴시라요 말로 experience 요 말로. 근데 인도 디 윤센을 때네 and cup did you stand up minchu vege kandan dini cheju ma to gibado control samba ge min sa de this simshu ru jinche da korang dindi chi sange ma to ba cheres de da kala khabores da de zu ke je tipe di karsho da millions of light year ke je re de da ine ya da de nga zu ji try ji cheje dirini sonde ben ta na ya ji ni ma ji 되네 둔자지 되는 나와 되네 로 되는 미지사지 되는 지가도 트라이드 샤데 계속도 삼아지 되지.
We don't need to go into a lot of detail about such philosophical investigations regarding different lifetimes, physical supports, and so forth. The main point that we can consider is how we can fit our own aspiration in comparison to the aspiration that Akshobhya made. So it seems that it's not going to be very approachable for us to even consider adopting the same aspiration as Akshobhya, talking about refraining from aggression from now until full enlightenment is attained. That seems a little bit too difficult for us to approach at this time, a little bit too vast. But what about if we were to consider making the aspiration to refrain from, or making a commitment to refrain from aggression from now throughout the rest of our lifetime until we die? I think even that would be quite a difficult promise to make, quite difficult to be decisive about. What about the question of working with 1 week as our time frame and making the commitment that we're not going to engage in any aggression or harbor any anger toward any sentient being for the duration of 1 week? Not so sure if we could make that commitment very decisively. What about the time frame of just 1 day, saying, I'm not going to engage in any aggression from now in the morning until the evening? Well, we don't have much of experience, I don't think, of making a commitment of that nature. So, in any case, we can begin to ask ourselves questions like this, and we can reflect upon the example set forth by Akshobhya and the amazing courage that Akshobhya displayed in making a commitment for what really amounts to millions of light years worth of time. And we don't have to try to immediately make the same commitment that he made, but what we can do is try to see where we can fit our aspiration in terms of working with days at a time, or months at a time, or years, and so forth. We can approach it gradually and see what is possible for us. And I think it's important for us to at least consider this and then maybe even try.
이나다 텐데지 제군도 텐데지 총내 아분도 삼바삼시기 대체 도마로 텐데 인주사 땅 아주 탑시지 삼당 탑시지 지 삼당시 아주 뒤지 타네 트라이 제안 붙이다 제 툭더 미툭 최단으로 체세 텐데지 아주 탑시지 당제 지고
Simply thinking to ourselves, it would be good if I could do that, or I should do that, is not enough to make it actually happen. What we have to do is to actually try, to actually put some effort in, and see what we end up being capable of.
다 미망부치 삼도 나로라 나바 상게 베게 다지 녀모를 녀보 땡고래 지기 다나 신기 녀모방 고능고래 사디 계시들야 고알 된단담자 망부치 종유게 성도 미망부치 삼도 나로라 녀모를 녀보 땡스도 산나 프레스르치 수수수 반 nem지 컨트롤 라인 거에나야 도루잡 forceful the 제제 바지 전부를 제제 니지 방 권는 차로 전제게 상당해야 돼요.
I think that people have various different ideas about the Buddhist approach to working with emotions, to working with the mental afflictions. People have the understanding in general that Buddhism promotes the application of antidotes to certain disturbing emotions. But beyond that, I think that people interpret that situation in various different ways. And some people come to understand this as meaning that we need to force down our emotions, that we need to press them down somehow or suppress them. And I think many people have that misunderstanding.
제가 망고지 녀몽바데 지금 뭐마디 지 자와 들려야지 녀보 때문에도 그렇지 녀몽보다 내급 지 녀몽바 데스 가르라다지 녀몽발에 최토바서므로 녀몽발에 유토반도 그렇지 내급 다 escape 되지 제토비입니다. 대점식이 초시에 제대로 되지. 대인주산다 가시에 삼려 나눠라 빼나 나란데 남바인 제장아 컨트롤하나 대체 뭐처도 삼바르지다. 남바데 컨트롤하는 그 말에 컨트롤하는 뭐처도 삼바르지지. 근데 또 안에다 탑시 망부시 당제 다간다 주수수기 다지 컨트롤데 밀라래 내급 되라 다지 마지 전부로 치지 님 다주 베베기 가베죠 담베죠 다데 가라서나 코네 멤버는 칸에 도와마 뒤치하고 그래서 기죠 다디 계전으로 찍고 사 그래서 코베 나라 컨트롤사는 멤버는 거라서 이나 칸에 다 매들 도와용으로 와 매라 도와용으로 이나 칸에 도와 마 미용야 탑시 있다네 되네 가르지 가서 코바 멤버는 넘줄때 야 본도 지 대학 배주셔로 근데 용으로 제가 디 소르비치나 디 nyembo tena ngoma jiremendo da na sing di not so not in healthy way ji healthy shla mi me debshi 되게 동거예요.
Another approach that seems to be mistaken in terms of relating with the mental afflictions is to not address the root causes of our mental afflictions, but instead try to apply antidotes from time to time during the times that they are the most strongest. And in this way, try to escape from the mental afflictions during the times when they become intense, but not really addressing their root causes. And just being satisfied with only addressing methods to relate to the mental afflictions when they're arising in their strongest fashion. This also seems to be a mistaken approach. So, in brief, some Buddhists have the attitude that it's not a very Buddhist thing to be angry, and I'm a Buddhist, and therefore I shouldn't be angry. It's embarrassing and shameful for me to be angry, so I shouldn't be angry at all. And then when the time comes that they actually feel anger, they try to suppress it in a forceful way, to basically force it down so that it won't rear its head. But in relation to that, there is a Tibetan proverb that says, if a fire is burning in your belly, smoke will come out your mouth. Or if a fire is burning in your belly, you can't stop smoke from coming out your mouth. So if there's anger actually happening inside you, it's not much use trying to just force that anger down or suppress it and pretend that nothing bad is happening, pretend that nothing uncomfortable is going on, and pretend that everything is just fine and pleasant. It's not a very healthy way to relate to our emotions.
That is similar. The improve your similar joa similar that soju ya the yuru da the ji yong ba la ji nin xie ta ba ne nin ta ba ne ji zhuo ya ji da nin ta ba ne ji tang de san ba tang do lang be san ba so mo da ji enjoy joyful so mo da ji da an da na xin ge zhuo ye san ba那就说是什么的就 move 这些，那就从不呢，那心呢，有啊，动头噻，就是动头的什么程度，是什么的就从哪全部这些，就他说的，心骨什么的啊，我觉得是特别呢，心骨是特别呢，那心呢，有啊动头的什么程度，第什么呢，我觉得就是。심구 마테비체 셈는 구교르지 마테비체 셈는 다지 조에 삼바라고 지당 야나지 지 volunteer direct 삼바르지 마제비나 되네 요아도한테 디스카라 하버서 지 force for 다지 다나 신기지 전부 와의 전에 요아도한으로 다나 신기 지기 구보 우주체 다지 우주체야로 다나 신기 되네 지게 지 탑시 라면을 먹고 싶다면 이 퇴행기다 요도한데 알아버렸습니다.
I think what's really required to develop a healthy approach to relating to our disturbing emotions is a sense of willingness and even enthusiasm towards relating to our minds and emotions in an honest way. If we can cultivate some sense of enthusiasm, willingness, and even delight toward relating with our emotions as they are and as they arise, some sense of being moved by an inspiration to relate with ourselves in this way, then we'll definitely have a chance to make a genuine positive transformation in our hearts and minds. But if that genuine feeling of inspiration or enthusiasm is not there, then we're not going to be taking a voluntary approach really to working with transforming our emotions, but rather we're going to be trying to force ourselves to do something different. We're going to be forcing something on ourselves, and I don't think in the long term that that will work. So therefore, having a sense of inspiration and willingness is very important.
Tene jua odo 제가 다 건드시는 생기듯이 예 민주배다 좀 전에 민주배다 고랑기 전주도 투기에 걸려야 면람 첨부 다들 남야지 콘룸이 이외 면람 답에 인두선 델대장 알았는데 중세다 파자 세난다 지금 지름도 중으로 지든지 아무지도 쉬고도 쉬에 안드레 인두산에 대균산 때네 안에 가르 문준 상계기 남달 진주 뒤제 냠래서 왔는 신기 지 상계기에 딱 가르에 넘버 타밤 코랑긴 제버로디 다 당아 야슈디 다 대인사 문질라마 상계다 지 기부 담반 남지 넘버 타바다 제버칠레디죠 나랑 저기 지 로정 쳐서 야슈를 지 가라서 당아 배토를 지샤바 이토를 지샤바데 다 당아디 초진 자침브레디 이네한테 데 다 이게 더 차대요. 이네다 고안 제버치 쿠진 나노르베 냠솔 라네 마지 남타르텐 샤바디 당아 솜바르디 리빙 르지 당아르 지 오늘 전에 솜바르다 디 차대요. 제산 디 균선 된 디술량 아주기 럽종 체제 럽종 체산한 다도 인지민쟁 아주 100% copy check와도 개요 말이나 디게 조다지 닝도 심슈다 encourage다 다는 신기지기 니 심슈다 닝도데 대줄량 아주 럽종 체제 아주 이네지 수랑그랑데 디스 지 가서 디스 자와르지 체지 겹체 랑라를 심슈 바라고 하데 개 전부를 주제서
So in any case, I feel very inspired personally by the motivation that was given rise to by Akshobhya, the motivation and the pledge that he made not to engage the klesha of anger, not to hold on to any angry intention or express any angry action toward any sentient being from now until the time that he attained enlightenment, or from then until the time he attained full enlightenment. I feel that this example has been instructive to me and has planted some beneficial habitual seeds in my mind stream. Really, I feel that the best instructions that we can study are the instructions that are the living examples of the past masters, the Buddhas and the followers of the Buddhas of the past. I think that the life examples are really the most important thing for us to study, the actual deeds that these masters performed. The instructions that are written down on paper are very good, but at the end of the day, they're just letters. The actual deeds that the masters have performed are the real living, breathing teaching, the real alive quality of the teaching. So therefore, they are, in my opinion, the most important thing for us to study, the actual deeds that the past Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, and great masters have performed. We don't have to copy them 100%, but we should consult them, learn about them, and allow them to inspire us, allow them to become a catalyst for us to encourage ourselves further, to bring more hope into our mind, and to try to fuel our positive motivations by referring to their examples.
다단도 가만히 쉬면도 지금 제가스 나 가만히 쉬면 되면 단도 가만히 쉬나 다 완전 고절 되시라자 가만히 쉬시긴 저도 제가 시나 나란히 갈라 가보도다 맛이 주도 제가래 당에 가만히 쉬시나 저랑 가만히 쉬셔야 돼 단주도 어디 단주고 단주 찍어 다 드네 제전도나 시당 삼바 미게야도 개좀 차디야래 가르사람 심제 탐제 지 대화는 된도 이 참바사야 돼 참베셈 다 참베셈기 도전으로부터 지 콘트리 삼바르부터 지 심제는 체외기 삼바디 심제는 뇌 삼바르도 차디야래 제상 양 민주벌이야 양 코랑기 개주 섬을 개주지 가르사나 지당 그 상계 민주바디 지 주규담바제는 든지래샤 주베고이 남바지 니마나가의 폼 제상 지당 주베 남바제 민주사네 지 상계 주베고디에게 안에 제바 중이사지 제바 다 코란을 지 주베고 이난 코란기 미세지 제바 중이사 대야지 들으지기 땡기 예배지 아주 시야래 남바상교도 시야래 다 제바 중이 나는 지기 두두야듯이 두두야듯 이나 민주발라 두두엔 제바데 배시를 말해 디 준센 가라서는 호랑 상계 민주바 상계에서디 온버가베 싱함라 상계브레 이나 콩기다지 천주초도 투게반에 손데 상마게베 봐도 지 컨트롤에 삼바 지게 마게베 인두산 디딩 디기 뉴베 떡기 아지 상계베 걸려야한테 차와 칭해롭지 두 파르도 줘버도 이렇게 매워지지 안 된대 돈에 그 두두엔 잡아 되면고 그렇지 된지지랬어.
The intention to refrain from aggression toward sentient beings is very important. And it's important because it is the antithesis of the mind of love towards sentient beings. The mind of love towards sentient beings is the mind that wishes for sentient beings to possess happiness, to enjoy happiness, to be happy. And the mind of aggression is the mind that wishes to harm sentient beings. In Akshobhya's case, he is considered to be a Nirmanakaya Buddha, a Buddha appearing in the form of the Nirmanakaya. And as Buddhist tradition clearly states, all Nirmanakaya Buddhas must display the 12 enlightened deeds. So as we know of this famous set of deeds of the Buddha called the 12 deeds of the Buddha, it's the same, according to Buddhist teaching, for all Nirmanakaya Buddhas. One of these 12 deeds is taming the maras, or taming all hindering forces. However, the special feature of Akshobhya, in his being a Nirmanakaya Buddha, is that it seems that he did not perform this deed of taming the maras. The reason is because he did not need to perform it, because there were no maras causing him hindrances. And this in turn is because of his aspiration. So the place that he achieved Buddhahood in was the Abhirati pure realm, the pure realm of true joy in the East, as we discussed previously. But throughout all of his journey from being a bodhisattva up until attaining full Buddhahood, he kept to his intention and pledge of not having any aggression toward any sentient being. And because of the interdependence of that intention and conduct, the karmic result of that was that no beings came to him to try to do him harm, and no Maras tried to interfere with his conduct, and therefore there was no need for him to perform the deed of taming the Maras.
It's not an office, maybe day off. Taina that the Rangi Nansemgi, the Numoba, the Shedanda, control Samba, Chism, number 7, Renshinji, the Adam, the Chisamao, the Zigi, and Chirugi Dula Savega, no to one. No to one, no number to share. Rangi, she Nangi Simgi, energy. Control Sambadang, Shidanga Sambadi, Chismji Kachue, Na Shua, Tesam Shigi, Chirugi, Daji Dugi, Tsewe, Nambadizuena, Mevacha. That in Duzane, Digunzana Dene, Du Sang Omati, Dugi Tsawa Dea, so that the Rang Simki, Numo with the solar rally there.
So it seems that the Maras were not in the office at the time of the journey of Akshobhya, or at the time of the Akshobhya's life as a Buddha. So the relationship between kleshas and maras is one in which, to the degree that kleshas and especially anger are present in our mind, to that same degree will the harm of maras be present. And conversely, to the degree that our minds have pacified the klesha of anger, to that degree will we become free from the harm and interference of maras. So therefore, in the final analysis, we can say that the real mara is the kleshas in our own mind, the disturbing emotions in our own mind.
You always no chance to get water. Need more water? I can be your service. Maybe we should need German beer. Non-alcoholic. Then do I said that same good now that jig namju jig a dark side of me and that good side of New Year's Kaduina. Just a namju jing as Spider-Man, Marvel the Nabajuva. Then of a shadow. Chesa Kaduina dark side of Chida and the good side of New Year in Dusane, and jing as the same day, some day to zoom and share the dark side of the Delia TJS. And times of the good side of the Jelia Chinche. In a Taxu energy, then the end of which I made them. Kari draw. The Kadu in a dark side of the shook share of Jeda. Koran number gave her a Kora Jagan of the dark side of the top there of that did you do. That did Junsen Dene Chirugi Nazuki Millabadi, the Chirugi in Jigbatin. Jigbachi Chiru outside somewhere yena ta nga ju leba di ha khodo reaction which do ja benaji ma ji share ta ndo tiger ndo singi ndo ji dyuna le yo na nga ju ji lamsa reaction ndo chongje ma ju pyo ro yina yang ta jigbo din dyune mebe che 하나 야나지 뉴나 매밤 지거디 가서 치료를 매밤스 답변은 지 다너 지 승긴들 지 내용도 나와 지지한데 내용 썼잖아 아주 저거 말아 아나다 야나 된들 지는 다 간다르 지거디 뉴나 매밤 지 치료를 매비나 아주 리액션 레터를 가고 싶다도 그래서 이 준세대는 아주 바유 텐시 awareness 과대 계속시라 차대. 그러면서 레벨 리액션 하면서 지고 말아.
So the way that our minds work usually is that you could say that there's kind of a dark side of our mind and kind of a good side of our mind. I guess it's kind of like the red Spider-Man and black Spider-Man. And usually we spend more time, you could say, on or in the dark side of our mind. And sometimes we empower good qualities in our mind, but it's not so sure which side is going to be dominant. It's not a definite bet, and due to this, often the darker qualities in our mind prevail. But part of why this happens is because there's no external stimulus to inspire fear about what happens if the negative qualities in our mind are allowed to prevail. And some type of external stimulus is often what kicks in a reaction to move away from that which will produce negative results. For example, in terms of working with our brain and noticing when our brain kicks into reactive mode, then we can see that if there's an external imminent fear that is present or an external imminent danger that is present, there will be an immediate reaction. For example, if there was a tiger or a lion that appeared in person directly before us, then there'd be a very strong reaction, and we would try to run to escape from it or do something to try to save ourselves and what have you. So we would immediately kick into gear at that point and try to take some type of corrective measures. But on the other hand, if someone says a tiger or lion is going to be here in 1 month, then maybe thinking of that situation will be a little bit concerning, but it's not going to make you engage in some immediate reaction on the spot. And so it would be difficult to motivate some corrective action just based on that knowledge. So when it comes to working with our mind, it's therefore very important for us to rely on the qualities of heedfulness, mindfulness, attentiveness, and awareness.
Disaster, disaster, 다는 신지 내염라서 내람들 내염 저 총세 답변은 이볼란도 된게 내염을 총세 된게 또네 엔지 디자스터 전부 중요해 다 되게 디자스터 상황으로 치료하는 수 용한대야듯이 버지셔야 다이네 디자스터 직디 가는 용어로서 치료하는 수 용하면서 나는 수 아주 생각 나는 수 걸리제제 다들 가라서나 아주지 제외 삼범매와 제 현라지 sympathy 지금 현라 empathy를 좀 매버체 현라 제외 삼범매와 지 control 삼바 라서보다 되게 제외 삼범매와 코로나 disaster 직차도 디 토르지 컨트롤 삼블라 소다 디슈 디기 지고디 가르서나 실론 주용 거 말에 나로네요 니가 따디 디 지고디 미게 통하게 매우지 이내고 걸리걸리 용디가 알아 제자디 윤전대네 아주 상황으로人신기 뭐다 유니지 데 participant 체대하지 지고디라 드림이 인두산에 디 윤전대네 아주 저 awareness를 찍고 하디 개좀시다 바이오진시 된 거다 개좀
There are many disasters in the world that are very fearful and frightening. Many parts of the world are afflicted by warfare. Many parts of the world are afflicted by natural disasters. Many parts of the world are and have been afflicted by epidemics and various diseases, such as the very severe problem of Ebola that we witnessed in recent times. And all of these types of problems, more or less, arise from the outside world or in the context of things that are happening in the outside world. But there's another type of disaster, and that is the disaster that rises from the inside, a disaster that arises from within our own mind. That disaster is the absence of love, the failure to cultivate love in our minds, the failure to ensure the presence of love in our minds. When love becomes absent from our minds, then anger has an opportunity to be present. And that is a true disaster. This absence of love and the presence in its place of anger is a true disaster. And it doesn't arise from the outside, it arises from the inside. So this is a very frightening situation when this disaster happens, and we can become participants in the creation of this disaster in direct ways and indirect ways. And for this reason, it's very important for us to rely on awareness, to rely on heedfulness, mindfulness, and attentiveness.
现在就是让你的对可对恰要哈我们的恰在这气差了，等你就三的，等你就大大呢搞出来这对下的呀，是等给光的去把能行给大干的，这还有这些点呢，啊这让了呀就搞出来，다 러시면 다 간다. 심슈 개과데 개좀 있으라. 다 마우샤 쉬심도.
So one never knows when maras are going to arise. One never knows when hindering forces are going to arise. And after the maras have afflicted their harm, then it's too late for us to do something about it. So therefore, it's important for us to rely on heedfulness and attentiveness, and it's important to inspire ourselves to do so.
다들 산이 민주배 왕구야 지신 민주배.
Tomorrow, the empowerment of Akshobhya will be given.
다들 conform 전이야. 니베 땡땡 소인다. 가장디 jealousy the one somehow disappeared. The today do sana that didn't get conform.
And I'm happy to confirm once again today, for the second time, that the empowerment is a sure thing, that it will happen. It's not going to be like the Chenrezig empowerment, which somehow disappeared.
I'm looking for some funny things. Wondering. Oh no, nothing. Didn't do that? 제가 남규 그게 도시대리아 아주 민주배다 retreat 들으셔래. 뒤체베걸이야. 아니 민주배지 왕도 체제. 아니디 지겨래. 안드린 주산에 다 조조디 가르쳐를 당 주변의 신기 encourage which 다 참참 지 심리야 지 좋아해야 지 심리 구교태르디 지야 규겐담들 된지 구교태르 정도가 안 타서질 라마다 이담라서 된제기 되지 실럽선한다도 안 된제기 지 투지다 랑게 지 대배 더블 때네 이런 구교태르보다 안 가시 지 뭐지 심진 지 파마 심진 남기 다지 고란 수익이 지 양자와라서 다 된제를 된세 지 디즈거진의 된세한테 심리 구교태르지 le joint de do and then the chichana ji semlia the kan ji semlia ji guyor tevche den je ge to ne da ga jue ji joa ji dra ji dan joa ji dra ji go su tu ya lu ji den de joint de sambe joyeux da de ouais.
The usual procedure that we follow in Bodh Gaya is that we do an Akshobhya retreat, and in the context of this retreat, we give the Akshobhya empowerment. In any case, I think the main point, as I mentioned before, is encouragement and finding a way to encourage ourselves and give rise to enthusiasm and delight and inspiration in our mind. And inspiration and delight can be found through many different causes and conditions. There's some times in which we feel that we have received blessings from our gurus or our practice of a yidam deity, that we feel we have been the recipients of enlightened compassion in this way, and that might cause us to feel faith and inspiration. At other times, we might feel that we have been the recipients of the kindness of our mother and father sentient beings. And due to that, some type of shift in our heart occurs. So it is my wish and my belief that maybe through this program this weekend, through these teachings and empowerment, that you yourselves will be able to find some inspiration and some basis for finding encouragement within yourself that will then in turn become the beginning of making a positive change.